Alright, so all we're going to be needing for this install is 17mm of some kind. I got a wrench and a electric ratchet, new torque mount, motor mount, whichever you'd like to call it. It's kind of hard to replace it if you ain't got the replacement. And here is our new one, which actually kind of looks remanned, but that's okay. Or it might just be casting, I don't know. Anyway, nice new one, and I just went with factory style. I don't need it to be any stiffer than it is. Just want better response from the transmission, better engine feel. So yeah, new one, 17s, and then definitely recommended is a jack to alleviate some pressure off the engine, and then obviously you'll want some way to get it off the ground. So yeah, let's go underneath and get it done. Alright, up underneath, you're gonna come to the back of the oil pan. Yeah, a little drippy down here. We've got some sort of miscellaneous little drippy leak somewhere. I'm not sure if it's the oil filter drop-off extension thingy or what, because it is literally just localized to this area right here. It's not above anywhere at all, and it's not off to the side much either. Anyway, that's beside the point. So here is our torque mount, motor mount. As you can see, it's pretty shredded up. Shouldn't be like that. So when the engine's moving, getting a good bit of load off of that, because this is in line with the transmission, so your shifts will especially feel it. But anyway, 17, and then get some weight off the engine, get it out, new one in, bolt it back up, good to go. Okay. So I literally have it just resting against the transmission over here, the seam of the transmission to the bell housing. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Anyway, just literally just barely lifted it up. I'm gonna take my electric ratchet, pull these. Yeah, maybe try and situate it so you're not directly under it and you get stuff in your mouth when you remove it. Anyway. Okay, and then just kind of shimmy it around. There we go. Oh yeah, that's pretty worn in general, so that one's got a good bit of play in the main. And then, yeah, that's just toast. Alright, well, now that that is out and we're all dirty, kinda, oh yeah, wipe over the spot, get it cleaned up best you can so you have a decent mating surface. Yum, little snack. And then, alright, looking good. Grab our new one. Try and wipe your hands on it. Okay. Then, new one. Make sure you have it oriented properly. So, see right here how this surface, these plates, the fins, if you're holding it upright like that, the fins are kind of angled up and away from it. That's how you want it, because it's gonna mount to the engine that way. So now just reverse what we did. Bunch of finagling. Once you get those 3 bolts torqued down, you're as good as done. All you need to do now, drop that jack, roll it out, take the car down off the ramps or jack stands, whatever you were using, and you're good to start driving again. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.